everyone, this is going to be my responses to activity 5. Um, Summarizing questions 1 and 2. So for the first part, it told me to make a diagram for the interacting objects, the dry cell battery, fan and motor, air, and the surroundings. And they both have to be in their transient states. So for the diagram, I drew dry cell battery for that part, surroundings for that part, fan motor for that section, surroundings and air. And this is how it looks all in total. And then I put a decrease in chemical potential energy, it loses power. Increase in thermal energy, it heats up. The surroundings heat up as well because increase in thermal energy. And the fan and motor increase in thermal energy as well because the fan and motor is going to be in motion and eventually it's going to heat up. Surroundings also put increases in thermal energy, and the air increases in kinetic energy because it's going to be in motion, it's going to be speeding up, and that's why it increases. And for the B part, I put decrease in chemical potential energy of the dry cell battery is equal to the increase in thermal energy of the fan and motor, plus the increase in thermal energy of dry cell battery, plus the increase in thermal energy of surroundings, plus the increase in in kinetic energy of air. And that's what I put for summarizing questions part 1. Moving on to part 2, it asked me to do the same thing, but it being in its equilibrium state. So what I put for that is the dry cell battery for this part gives energy off to the surroundings and the fan and motor, and the fan and motor gives energy off to the surroundings and air. So for this circle, I put decrease in chemical potential energy. It loses, energy. Um, for the surroundings, it increases in thermal energy due to the battery and the motor. It's gonna cause heat. And the air, it increases in kinetic energy again because of the blades. It's gonna be spinning, and all that. And for the for the B part in this, I put decrease in chemical potential energy of dry cell battery equals the increase in thermal energy of surroundings plus the increase in kinetic energy of the air. Um, that's been my responses to activity 5. Just let me know what you guys think. Yeah, thank you for watching.